Oh man, so Fantom is setting up a nice technical pattern in the charts, which could suggest we could be heading back to all-time highs very shortly. And I want to share that with you guys, so stay tuned to the very end. You guys know I'm off-site, I'm away on business, but I'm just parked up in a small room here to give you the updates on the charts. So we can see Bitcoin, first of all, is doing very well here, heading up, and it's sitting at 63,210. So you can see exactly with Bitcoin, we got the beautiful bounce off of the support, the blue support line, and we look like we can now start trending up. We didn't lose this level here, which was very important for us, and now we can head to the upside. The next target for Bitcoin now, and the next kind of resistance level will be here at 63,678. If we can break through there, then we really have some good bullish momentum on Bitcoin to head higher. You can see even here on the hourly, we're very bullish now, and obviously on the larger time frames, we're very bullish on Bitcoin. We're really setting up for a crazy November, guys. Any of you who've been around in November before, it's a roller coaster. It's going to give you highs, it's going to give you emotional lows, it's going to make you want to sell, it's going to make you want to buy. So stay tuned, make sure you know high conviction plays. I'm going to post a video about that, which I've mentioned as well, which is a bit of a psychological video explaining my thinking right now going into November and where I'm at. I filmed that a little while ago. I'm going to post that as well. But let's get straight into the Fantom chart. And before I do that, please make sure you collect your free money, guys. Swissborg, link in the description. They're going to give you up to 100 euros if you deposit 50 euros. You've also got Coinbase, who will give you $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell 100 or more in crypto, which you're going to do anyway, and $10 in free Bitcoin when you just deposit on BlockFi. So you can go and collect your free money and get all your exchanges set up. Links in the description. Go do that, guys. Now, Fantom. Where are we at on Fantom? So what I want to show you is this very, very important pattern we're creating here. Now, for those of you who were watching a little while ago, we created this M pattern, right? And the target price was to the downside. Okay, the target price just missed off our target price slightly, but if you traded that, you guys know I don't short, but if you traded that, you would have done pretty well. Price target on the technical price target showed you $2.25. You got about halfway there on $2.50 before, thankfully, for my long position, we caught some support for Fantom, which helped us recover. You saw the recovery back up here to the resistance line from the neckline, and we got rejected. So now you can see we're playing that exact same M pattern, but this time it's a W pattern, right? Because it's the other way around, and this is a bullish setup, okay? And this is what we're waiting for now, and it's going to give us a good price target to the upside. Let's see if I can do that here on the move to give you our price target. So if you want to take at least this kind of move here, from there to the bottom there, and want to take that price move, and we'll be sitting at a pretty price target of $3.10 on Fantom. But more importantly, once we get to that $3.10, we will then clear the way. We'll clear the runway because there's no resistance once we get to this point. You can see from the left-hand side of the chart, we can now then head to all-time highs at $3.50. And the amazing thing here is this will be the third attempt. Third attempt, we go up to $3.50, and that should set us up for an explosive move to the upside on Fantom. Let's just take a look at some of the larger time frames, just to remind you of where we're at with Fantom. Those of you who bought in just a month or so ago, I mean, here, just towards the 1st of October, you're buying in at $1. So we've been on an absolute tear here on Fantom, and things are just looking really good. If I just switch to a cleaner chart, you can see exactly what is going on. If I bring up the EMA ribbon, nice extension on the EMA ribbon, you can see the bounces we're getting off of the EMA ribbon. It's just setting us for a nice move. We just had a perfect retracement down, and I'm really excited to see this bounce up now on Fantom and see a nice move to the upside. You can see there my Fibonacci target for the 1.68 golden ratio is sitting at 3.9 on Fantom, and you can see from the W pattern we're creating, if we can break through that W pattern, the W pattern I just showed you, if we can break through that retail price target and then head to the all-time highs, we can then set ourselves to really break through that with volume and head to $3.90. So things are looking really good from a technical point of view on Fantom. Let's also take a look at Algorand, and we can see Algorand is setting up a really nice bounce off of our EMA ribbon just here, guys. So you can see a perfect bounce off this EMA ribbon. We've been consolidating here for a while, and we came back down, tested the neckline, and we're getting a good bounce now. So things are really looking good for Algorand. If I show you on the 4-hourly chart as well, you can see now we've managed to invalidate this head and shoulders pattern. We were worried about this head and shoulders pattern. and you can see this, that's the head, that's the left shoulder, right head, right shoulder. We bounced off the neckline and we invalidated that, okay? So that's really good there on that to avoid that potential break to the downside. So what levels are we looking at in the immediate short term? Well, we know we got this resistance level still where the shoulders are, right? So if you take a look at the levels, which are around, I would say between $1.91 and $1.94, you're going to face some serious resistance here for Algo. But if we can break through that, we could be heading to the $2 mark and then the $2.09 mark, heading on to the higher side. From the daily chart, the setup is really nice. You can see from this daily chart here, if I bring out the EMA ribbon, you can see there how nicely we tested the EMA ribbon and we're getting that bounce off of it. And this is exactly what we want to see from Algorand. So really nice setup from Algorand. Looking forward to higher price lines. As you guys know, Fantom, Algorand, 2 long-term holds for me. If you're trading it on the short term, be very careful, manage your risk. And ensure you've got your stop losses and your take profit targets, because this could be a volatile month, right? You could be trading a lot of technical patterns and Bitcoin can just retrace. Something could happen to shock the market. We can get some FUD. China can ban crypto for the 9th time because things have been a little bit too smooth lately, and I'm expecting a little bit of FUD. My spidey senses are tingling, and so I just want to make sure, and you're seeing that video, go watch that video. I'm just roaming around talking to the camera, no charts, just telling you what's on my mind and how I be playing November and December. So please go check that out. Also, if you appreciate my perspectives, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps this channel out. We're approaching 4,000 subscribers, which is amazing. I couldn't have done it without every single one of you really liking the videos, commenting, sharing it with your friends, jumping into the Discord, pin comment below, by the way, and really supporting our efforts here. New cryptocurrency traders and investors are born every single day. Let's bring them into our community and show them how to do this in a sustainable way, right? We want to build wealth in the right way, doing it in a patient manner and a pragmatic manner. So if you enjoy that, hit the like, support the efforts, and we'll see you in the next one.